What is good? Today we're going to be playing Michael Jackson in Time Bomb, but my mic wasn't working, so I'm going to voice over it. Let's find 1v1. Let's find the first 1v1. Should we do double deckers? But no one's here in double deckers. I think we should just do flat map. Wait, maybe. Yeah, I'm going to just do flat map. Alright, let me see if I can 5-0 this guy. Alright, let me cook. Let me fry this guy. He's good. He might get fried. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm getting that. Wait, I might? Yeah, yes. I got it. Easy, dubs. Alright, let me fry this guy. 1, 2, 3, hit him with a big 0-4. This guy is not getting me. Where is he going? Nah, this guy got fried, bro. Like fried rice, bro. Nah, this guy ain't getting me no time, bro. I'm Michael Jackson. Yeah, this guy ain't getting me back, bro. GG. Easy dubs. This guy is not gonna get me. This guy is not getting me, bro. Okay, he's not gonna win this. He's not winning this. Yeah, I wins. Can I 5-0 this guy? Can I 5-0 this guy? Let me try 5-0. This guy sucks, bro. I thought he was winning some goat because of his avatar, but he sucks at the game. Let me get this guy quickly. GG. Easy 5-0. Alright. What should I do next for the next one? Wait. 3 people doing suspended. I was about to get him suspended. What can I do? Original. Wait. I'ma cut until I find the next match. Okay. It's time to get him. Well, I fry. I bet. Let me try fry. I'm gonna try fry him. This guy is cooked. He's cooked. GG, easy wins. Wait, did he leave? He left that fast after 1 round. I know I'm Michael Jackson, but I didn't know I was that Michael Jackson. Let's fry these people. Or will I get fried? Questions. Whenever we know. I ain't getting this guy. I'm lost, bro. I am lost. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Yeah, I got fried, bro. Fried like chicken. Fried chicken. No, this guy's looking at me now. No, that's crazy, bro. No. Alright. We just lost. Okay, next round. Should I try wall hop on this guy? I might wall hop on this guy. Maybe. I got him. I actually got him. I didn't even think I was gonna get him right there. No, he ain't getting me. I'm wall hopping. No, I got fried. Bro. Fried like fried rice. Will I get it? Yeah, wall hopped on, bro. I actually wall hopped on. Yeah, I am not winning against this guy, bro. This guy, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm fried. Where am I going? This guy fried me. I already thought you were gonna get me. Jump what they said. Oh, how do I get a bomb? What was that? New tech unlocked. What was that? That was not the proper fling I was trying to do. Yeah, I am not getting this guy anyways. GG. It's a 1v2. Oh, get flinged on. I got fried. Yeah, I'm fried. GG's. 5-0'd me. 5-0'd me. Into a high people. I am not gonna have a voiceover anymore. It's like the last couple minutes. Just watching silence. I'll put on some music.
you.